Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It is Wednesday, November 18th. I'm just going to go over the markets with you for the day. Another quiet day, though you did have beans start to trail off, down over 10 cents at one point. They were able to come back and close down about 6.5, 7 cents on the day. But you finally found some pressure into the bean market when they've been able to hold on for the most part against wheat and corn being able to fade. Corn continues to find support around that 360 mark on the December contract. You'll trade a few pennies higher or a few pennies lower, but it seems to be the market that just doesn't want to move much. You are coming against the first line of support over in the wheat market at 485 on those D's futures. You'll be interested to see if those stick there. Overall, there's just not a lot of news to really move the grain markets. I've been saying this again. I wish I had some news or something to talk about, but there's just not a whole lot out there. Meat markets had a positive day, actually trading up limit higher for live cattle and feeder cattle at some point during the day, but then they decided to fade just a little bit back, being up over just over $2 for the live cattle and feeder cattle. Lean hogs stuck around anywhere from about steady to up 60 cents on the day. Not a whole lot of movement there. Still haven't had any idea of where you're going to have cash this week. It is early in the week, so you might have to wait until Friday to see if you see any at all. But you just haven't had any bids or any asks really out there. Outside markets were relatively quiet. Crude actually was lower on the day, and you saw a build in stocks, and it was able to rally off that, which is fundamentally not what it should have done. But I think you're coming in here and seeing that it is towards the bottom at that $40 mark on crude when you've had an all-time low of in the 39s. So it is down there. The stock market was 150 points higher. Other than that, there's not a whole lot of news out there in the market. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.